Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Mercedes-Benz GLS. We're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. The link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution. So just spray it onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. And also clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And something to keep in mind, if you're not able to remove all the contaminants that the lens may have, you can also use tack solution. Tack solution is just 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. If you do use the tack solution, make sure to spray it onto the towel instead of the lens to help remove all the contaminants that the lens may have. Okay, so once you finish with the prep, we can start with the installation. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens. You can also spray it on the adhesive side of the film and place the film. And what we need to do is make sure we align it to the edge here, and we need to secure it on the edge. That way, once we secure here, we're able to stretch the film. Because of the type of curve design this headlight is, we're going to make sure we tack down a good amount, so from here to here. That way, once we stretch the film, this section stays tacked down and doesn't try to shift. So make sure to tack down a good amount, so from here to here. So apply tack solution underneath, and the tack solution will help the adhesive activate faster. That way we're able to tack it down faster. So keep it on the edge and tack it down. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Okay, once this whole section is secured, then we can move on with stretching the film to this side here. So in order to stretch it, make sure this area has slip solution. That way you're able to stretch the film. And we're going to put a good amount of pressure onto the lens with the film here in order for the film to stretch. So you will need to put strength to stretch the film. That way all the fingers that were here are able to flatten out. So reach it up until the edge right here. So once you have it on the edge, hold the film for a couple seconds. That way the film starts molding to the design of the curve. If you do see any fingers in the middle here, try to separate them with your hand. That way when you use your squeegee, you're just able to tack everything down. So grab your tack solution, spray it on top of the film, grab your squeegee, and start tacking it down to secure it. So it's not that hard, it's just more of the stretching part where we need to make sure we stretch to help the film flatten out because of the curved design the headlight is. And then once we remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, the last thing to do would be to apply heat to start sealing all the edges and helping the smaller fingers that you may encounter on top or on the bottom tack down. So if you see those fingers on the top, just apply tack solution, grab your heat gun. You can also use a hairdryer, lowest setting, apply heat where you see those fingers. And something you can do to help tack down those fingers is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and just tack them down like this. This will help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So pretty simple. It's just taking your time doing the stretch and removing the small fingers, and that's pretty much it. And if you encounter more fingers, just apply heat and tack them down. So once you're done with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat. So all you're going to need is your tack solution, your heat gun, and your microfiber towel. So spray tack solution all over the lens. We're going to use our heat device, lowest setting, apply heat throughout the entire headlight, making sure we help the adhesive activate faster, and also making sure that if there is any fingers popping up, the heat will help them tack down. And to help them tack down with the heat is our microfiber towel. You just apply pressure wherever you see those fingers to flatten it out, and the microfiber towel will also help out with absorbing any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time applying heat throughout the entire headlight, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Mercedes-Benz GLS. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the GLS. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.